it's Layle with Layle by Mail, and today I'm here to share with you my I Am project kit. So first we'll take a look at the completed project, then we will take a look at the contents of the kit, and then I will wrap up. I just want to spend a minute or two showing you an I Am kit that I had put together for myself, added photos and journaling, everything for myself in the past, so you can kind of get a feel for how the project might look and how you might approach it as you are working on it. So to get started, this is the I Am project kit. And in the description of the video below, I have included a link to it on my website. It is currently shipping now. One quick thing with all of the Layle by Mail project kits, you receive all the product that you need to complete the project, as well as color step-by-step instructions. So let's go ahead and dig in. I'm using the gorgeous Simple Stories Blush Snap album. It is 6x8 and it has pocket pages. So as we start to dig in, you can get a really good feel for the colors in the collection. Oh my gosh, the teal and the pinks, so beautiful. I've added a little bit of platinum stickles to the flowers on my cover to kind of tie in with some of the gold that you'll find within the collection. Lots of interactive elements, as always, that I like to include in my albums. So we've got a little opening here. Here we could add photos or journaling, and you'll see that quite a bit on our little interactive elements where you can add the photos or the journaling. Lots of journaling prompts: unstoppable, beautiful, capable, and worthy. The kit includes the brand new Simple Stories foam stickers, and these are in gold, and they are so beautiful. So we'll take a look at kind of those stickers as we get into the kit. This, I think, is one of my favorite spreads because I just love that floral, and the pink against that mint and teal is stunning. So there's a little kind of centerfold there, room for lots of photos and journaling. And as we continue, this project is really designed for you to tell your story. We as scrapbookers and crafters sometimes spend so much time behind the camera not telling our own story. We tell everyone else's story. But the I Am collection from Simple Stories and this project kit is designed for you to tell your story. It's just a fun little page with little cards, 2x2 cards. And I also have a video, and I will include it also in the description of this video, that shows you how to very easily print little 2x2 photos and 3x4 photos using a free app. Super easy. It will change your life. Anyhow, lots of journaling, lots of photos as we continue to go through. So you'll continue to find lots of little interactive elements, a little pocket here. And those little guys just slide right out. You could add little photos or journaling. This one I think is kind of fun because if you wanted to do maybe a little bit more private journaling, you could put that behind those two little interactive pieces. Over here, this is a pocket, so you can slide in your photos and or different kind of memorabilia. Another interactive element, this one is kind of a double door. So it opens and closes, opens to reveal this nice little image here. You could either leave it as is or put a photo on it, and then you have room for two photos there. As we continue, this is one of my favorite techniques to share in my album projects. We're going to take a 12x12 pocket page and we will make it work in a 6x8 album. So I share my tips for doing that. Another little flip up. This is what's left over after we end up cutting apart our 12x12 pocket page album. So as you can see, another pocket, room for lots of journaling, different pockets. There's a little side pocket. You could add photos or journaling in there, different little flip ups. Very interactive, very fun. Project like this also gives you tons of ideas for how you might put together an album like this in the future. And there we end with that. You got this, girl. Amazing, right? So very positive affirmations. Not only would this be great for you to tell your story, but it would be great to give to a grandmother or a mom, an aunt, a sister, maybe a new bride, someone that's graduated from high school or college. Really, it's just a good project to get someone to really just document themselves. All right, let's look at the kit. So the kit has tons and tons of product in it, starting with the journal bits. These are the die cuts, and there are 57 pieces in there. We use a lot of those. You have a yard of ribbon that we're using on the cover, a little bit of gold cording that we use to tie little butterfly to the cover. The I Am paper pad. So this is 6x8 pad, has 24 double-sided papers. So that'll give you a really good feel for the different papers and patterns and colors. And this type of product, 6x8 pad, is so wonderful when you are working with a 6x8 album like this. So the base of the project, of course, is the 6x8 blush album or blush snap binder. And that includes 8 snap pages. So 4 are white, kind of officey. 4 have pink, the pink blush accents on them. 3 craft dividers and 10 pocket pages. And then the nice metal book plates. The I Am chipboard. So there are 31 stickers there. And they have gold foil. So that gold foil is starting to present itself in the products. And then we have the foam stickers. So these are brand new. Simple Stories just started doing foam stickers. They released them back at the big trade show in January. So this one is 57 stickers. Tons and tons and tons of stickers for documenting yourself. Of course, the instructions. So you have color, step-by-step color photos. The 12 by 12 sticker sheet. This is that 12 by 12 pocket page that we cut down to work as an interactive pocket page in the project. And then we move to the 12 by 12 papers. So a mixture of solid patterns and then the cut apart cards. So those are the 4 by 4 cards. You have the 4 by 6 cards, a mixture of the horizontals and the verticals. That gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous floral, and just as good, just as strong on the back. That kind of neat blush colored ledger paper. This is always one of my standbys, the white grid that we use. It's great for journaling, and it's just sometimes just a nice background, a little bit more exciting than a piece of white cardstock. The 2 by 2 squares. So those are the 2 by 2 squares that we use to make that fun little interactive 2 by 2 page. Another 12 by 12. It's kind of a pretty tone on tone rose floral. And then the 3 by 4 cards. All right, so the last thing I said I wanted to do was to share with you a project. This was a kit that I had offered a number of years ago. It's no longer available, but I wanted to show you what a finished project like this could look like and how I approached it. Of course, it's your project. I always like to say you do you, but this is what I did. I actually combined photos from lots and lots and lots of different years. So just kind of told my story, and I bounced around quite a bit. Here I am. Oh, that was a long time ago. Here I am as an adult, yes. Here I am as a daughter with my mom and my sister when I was a little girl. My wedding, my husband and I with our boys, lots of family pictures there. But it just gives you a really good feel. Some of my photos are black and white, some are color. What I love about a project like this is that there are really no rules. You can do whatever it is that you want. So quite a bit of journaling, just talking about different important people in my life, my sister again, the fact that I love to travel. So that just gives you a really good feel for how you might approach a project like this. I think what I'm going to do with this year's album, I think I'm going to do probably the last, I think I did this one in 2013, I want to say, or 2014. So it's been 6 or 7 years. I think this album, I'm going to cover the 6 or 7 years kind of when I stopped here. So that's how I'm going to approach it. I really encourage you to make the project your own. I have included a link, as I mentioned, in the description of the video down below to this project. It is currently shipping now, so you should have everything that you need. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.